Becoming acquainted with Bitcoin and crypto lingo. Why do people use slang? Individuals and groups of people frequently use slang and acronyms to communicate ideas, concepts, or descriptions quicker than with formal language. When it is the industry's use of terminology, we will refer to this as jargon, whereas when used socially, we refer to this as slang. The cryptocurrency industry has emerged with new jargon being created constantly. For novices, it can prove to be quite challenging and can create a barrier to entry. This video is designed to reduce the barriers to entry for those outside of cryptocurrency by providing the most used slang words and acronyms. Deciphering cryptocurrency jargon. Altcoin. Alternative cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin. There have been many waves of altcoins following Bitcoin since its inception in 2009. ATH, all-time high, when a cryptocurrency has reached its highest value to date. Hodling, a typo error was made when trying to write holding and went viral over the internet, so simply meaning holding on to a specific coin for the long term. Bear run or bearish, when the price of a cryptocurrency has a tendency to fall and experience sell-offs. Bearish is the sentiment if you think the value will decrease over time. Bull run or bullish, when the price of a cryptocurrency is expected to increase, we call this sentiment bullish. Also, we have permabulls, those bullish on Bitcoin or a crypto permanently. Similarly, we have permabears too. Core, the group of individuals that are most active developing a cryptocurrency. Big blockers, those who believe in a scaling path for Bitcoin that increases the block size above 1 MB. Notably, Bitcoin Unlimited and other factions or supporters. Small blockers, those who believe in a scaling path that does not require an increase in the block size of Bitcoin, namely Bitcoin Core and their supporters. POW, proof of work. The consensus mechanism behind Bitcoin and many altcoins ensures that the process of mining or minting new cryptocurrencies is difficult, ensuring the robustness of the network. Miners burn energy and therefore prove their work, securing the blockchain and confirming transactions. POW change is something you also hear about, which could be a way to incentivize GPU-only mining or to discourage miner concentration. FOLO, fear of losing out. When wanting to make a trade in a market, but you may be too eager and act on fear of losing out, and this drives you to make trades that may be unprofitable. Similarly, fear of missing out or FOMO is used referring to the same situation. Shills, when someone has a vested interest in promoting a cryptocurrency. ICO, an abbreviation for initial coin offering, when a new cryptocurrency is created and an offer to the public for sale and exchange for Bitcoin, Ether, and other cryptocurrencies. ISO stands for initial scam offering, simply a play on words for initial coin offering, referring to the fact the majority, if not all of them, are scams. Pioneered by Julian Bouteloup to warn people not to lose their money, seems it is catching on. KYC, know your customer, refers to a situation where you have checked the identity of an individual and have taken precautions so that the money you are receiving is clean and not associated with laundering. Whale, an individual or group either engaging in buying a large sum of cryptocurrency or selling a large sum of cryptocurrency that is significant enough to move the market price significantly. Traders who can move markets because of their large holdings are known as whales. In 2014, this term was used to coin bear whale to refer to a large seller who pushed the price of Bitcoin down significantly and was then slayed by the community. BTFD, buy the effing dip, a term used when the crowd's mentality is dominated by fear. So you should buy at a cheaper price as people's emotions will return to equilibrium and become bullish again, with the price eventually beginning to rise again. FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt. When someone has doubts about a particular cryptocurrency and they share their criticism or lies to create fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Wrecked means wrecked, losing a lot of money by making a bad trade. Satoshis or sats refers to the smallest denomination of a Bitcoin, one Satoshi or one sat, which is equal to 0.000000001 BTC. CYA or CYOA, cover your ass or cover your own ass, meaning that you should take precautions when making investments. Bag holder simply means holding on to a particular cryptocurrency after the price has fallen and others are continuing to sell their coins, whilst you remain holding your bag of coins in anticipation the price will increase. It is important for you to realize whether you are a bag holder or not. So if you do not have an exit plan for your cryptocurrency, then you are considered a bag holder. Moon refers to the future expectation of a cryptocurrency being valued at an astronomically high price. The pump and dump, PND, refers to a situation where traders come together and collude, for example, by buying a particular cryptocurrency in order to drive up the price and then selling their cryptocurrency at its peak, while others will be tempted to buy. Poop and scoop is the opposite scenario of pump and dump. Shitcoin, coins that are likely to be scams or not worth investing in the long term, would be referred to as a shitcoin. ANN, announcement, likely to view this near an announcement of a new cryptocurrency project that is about to launch or on forums like Bitcoin Talk. Lambo, Lamborghini, a term used by traders indicating the high returns of particular cryptocurrencies that are likely to make in the future. DCA, dollar cost averaging, refers to spreading out your investments and not buying a particular cryptocurrency all at once, but instead buying it little by little, depending on the prices changes in order to spread out your costs and taking precautions for the losses. TA, technical analysis, refers to the use of the price action on the chart to determine trading positions. H&S, head and shoulders, refers to a trading pattern viewed on the charts that predicts the price of cryptocurrency is expected to increase and opposite when it is expected to decrease. As a disclaimer, this information is intended for educational and training purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. As with all financial decisions, you should contact your licensed financial advisor before investing in any financial instrument.